Developer mode has a lot of advanced settings like USB, animation, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. that can save you in time of need. So let's find out how to enable developer options on Samsung Galaxy's S25 Ultra or Plus. Alright, for that, open up Settings on your device, scroll down till the end to About Phone, scroll down for Software Information, find out build number in this section, and then tap 7 times on build number to enter developer options. And from this pop-up, just tap on OK. To enter that mode, go back to your settings and right under About Phone, you will find your developer options. You can then walk yourself through this section or simply search for whatever you were looking for. To turn off or disable this option, simply toggle off developer option. So that's all for this video. Thanks for watching.